Good day to everyone. So today we're gonna learn about HTML. HTML is the abbreviation for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a building block of each web page or website, which means that you use HTML in order to create these web pages. It can be edited using the Notepad application. Just save the file with an extension of .html or .htm. In coding HTML, we need these tags. Tags are the keywords which defines the format or the data given or embedded within the HTML. It needs these kinds of brackets. So each line of code have a start tag and an end tag. But not all needs to have an end tag, such as the BR. So the doc type declaration. It is needed in the HTML. So it is an information given to the browser that tells that the file is an HTML file. So the first tag we're going to tackle is the head tag. So it contains various information of the HTML web page, but doesn't necessarily appear on the web page. Within the body tag contains the codes used in order to create objects that will appear on the web page. So comments. They are notes and reminders in the HTML code. It is not visible within the screen, but rather it is hidden within the code, and it contains information such as what these codes are for. So the metadata, as I stated earlier, is placed within the head tag. So it contains information such as what are these HTML files used for. So these syntaxes are only the most commonly used ones. There are other meta datas out there, but these are the most commonly used ones. Thank you for listening.